Happy birthday, Julie. Uh, Enjoy your day and isa ka sa mga una kong nakilala sa YouTube. Thank you for supporting me and I will continue to support you. Again, happy birthday and have a great day.
Hey Julie, it's Jericho. Happy birthday to you. Sorry, kind of late. Yeah, just want to wish you happy birthday and may you have many more to come. Bye.
Hi Langga! Happy birthday! Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayon sa karawan mo and then alam ko naman na masaya ka na ngayon. Sana naman na hindi mo ko makalimutan kahit minsan mo na lang ako makasama sa mga live mo. Sana wag mo kalimutan na may kaibigan ka pa rin na nandito palagi nandyan sa tabi mo, namang mangyari, nandyan ako. Sana hindi mo makalimutan na mayroon ding kaibigan na andyan palagi sa'yo. Mag-support sa'yo minsan nga lang, pero andyan ako palagi. Anytime na gusto mo kausapin mo ako. Kung may problema ka, nandyan na ako, kausapin mo ako. Alam mo naman magpagkatiwalaan mo ako sa mga bagay-bagay, lalo na sa mga kamaritisan. Thankful din ako dahil nakilala kita kahit sa YT lang tayo nagkakilala, pero masaya ako dahil totoo kang kaibigan. Kahit na matagal na tayong pagkakilala sa YT, pero andyan ka pa rin nakasupport sa akin. Kahit minsan na lang ako makasupport sa iyo, pero andyan ka pa rin nagsusupport sa akin. Lalo na pag nagla-live ako, andyan ka, maakit ka at sinasamahan ako pa rin. Thank you so much Langga. I'm happy talaga na nakilala kita. Isa kang totoong kaibigan at saka masayahin na kaibigan. Kahit magtampuhan tayo, pero andyan ka pa rin, hindi ka nagbabago. Thank you so much Langga. At sana hindi ka magbabago talaga at sana hindi mo ako makalimutan na andyan na ako sa tabi. Ayan. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayon sa karawan mo and then pray ko sana bigyan ka na maraming birthday na darating sa buhay mo and maraming blessing na darating sa buhay mo. Sana mag-enjoy ka and then don't forget to pray always. Alam ko masaya ka na lang. Happy din ako sa'yo dahil masaya ka. And then, yun lang. Sana hindi mo makalimutan na nandito ako palagi sa kaibigan mo na nandyan. Kahit minsan lang, makikita sa YT. Pero andyan ako na hindi lang ako nagpaparamdam. Kilala mo naman ako na andyan lang palagi. Nakasilip kahit busy, nandiyan nakasilip pa rin, hindi lang nagpaparamdam. Pero nga iba na yung paligid mo, kaya na lang ako, silip-silip na lang ako. Alam ko naman na marami kang kaibigan na nakasupport and then yun lang, mag-enjoy ka and then huwag mong kalimutan yung friendship natin na matagal na natin i-build. Huwag mong kalimutan, nandiyan lang ako palagi. Enjoy ka palagi Langga. Thank you so much sa lahat-lahat na support mo sa akin. I love you. Alam mo naman, ninaisip na kita na hindi ka na iba sa akin parang kapatid na kita. Alam mo yan. Forget nandiyan na talaga ako. Thank you so much Langga. I love you and God bless you.
Hi sweetie, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday sweetie. Ayan, happy birthday sweetie. I love you and I miss you so much. Ayan, enjoy your day. Sana masaya ka sa araw na ito and sana kasama mo ang buong pamilya mo and sana marami pang years to celebrate your birthday and wish na ko na magmalipayon ka permanente and sorry kung Hindi na ako ganun ka-active sa YT, sweetie. Sana maintindihan mo ako. Pero andito pa rin ako palagi. Diyan pa rin ako sa mga live stream ninyo. Kaya lang, minsan, nagtatago ako. And sorry kung minsan, pinaprank kita. And ganun ka naman nabubuko mo ako palagi. Kaya, tatawa na lang ako. Masaya ako. Makita kang masaya. Umaawit na masaya. And kahit hindi na ako kasali sa kasiyahan mo, andito pa rin ako naghihintay na sana maalala mo kung i-chat, na-miss kita, and yeah, ayokong umiyak kasi gusto ko masaya lang. And enjoy your birthday, sweetie, and yeah, more live stream to come. And of course, nandito na ako palagi, nakasupport pa rin sa mga live stream niya kahit pinaprank kita. Ayan, nami-miss kasi kita kaya gano'n na lang yung mga ginagawa ko para mapasaya kita. Pahinga ka rin minsan kasi para mas lalong mag-blooming at gumanda. Ayan. And salamat sa friendship, sweetie. Kahit ganun katagal na hindi na tayo nag-uusap, pero dito ka pa rin palagi sa puso ko. Ikaw pa rin ang aking sweetie. Kahit kailan din ako magkakaroon ng ibang sweetie, kung hindi ikaw lang. I love you and enjoy your day. And happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Hi, Julie, aka Juliet, aka Julia, and also known as the Whispering Songstress. I just want to take a moment to say happy birthday, and I really hope you enjoy your day. Wishing you health, happiness, and wealth. So all the best to you, and enjoy your day. Happy birthday again. Bye. See you soon. Take care. Bye.
Good evening po sa aking idol. Happy birthday po. Idol Julie. Happy birthday. Wish ko ngayong birthday mo ay stay healthy, stay humble, ingat palagi, huwag masyadong gagasgasin yung boses. Alam mo naman, yan ang puhunan natin dito. Happy birthday po. At saka maraming salamat sa patuloy niyong pagsusuporta sa akin. Yun lang. Saka siyempre, advance, Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Yun lang po. Hangad ko lang yung nasa mabuti kang kalagayan, nasa malusog kang pangangatawan, layo sa anuman na sakit. At siyempre, wish ko rin na marami pang birthday na dumating sa'yo. Happy birthday, Idol Julie.
Hi, Sister Juliet. Happy birthday to one of the best people I know. Wishing you your year filled with love, laughter, eldest joy, and hope all your birthdays wish come true. Happy birthday, Sister Juliet.
Jolie, happy birthday. Wish you have many more birthdays to come. Good health, success in life, happy love life, and God bless you always. Enjoy your day.
Shout out to our beautiful friend, birthday girl, Julie Basultin. How old are you? Team International, go, oh yeah!
Hi Julie, happy birthday. Oh yeah. It is me, Sneaker Dan, wishing you all the best, especially on this very important day of your life. It's not every day that you will have birthday, but of course, we can always wish every day that it is your birthday, and it will always happen. especially for you. You know, when I go to this live stream, you're there. When I go to this live stream, you're there again. And then, you're there again. It's like you're a 24/7 girl. Oh my gosh, I don't know what's happening. And I don't know how you do it. It gives a lot of questions to my mind. But you know what? The most important thing is you are happy. So, all the blessings, all the happiness, all the good things, especially coming from your loved ones, from your relatives, from your special someone. Oh yeah. Happy birthday, Julie. This is me, Sneaker Dan. Alright.
Hello, Julie. Happy birthday, my darling, my sweet pie. Happy birthday. Sana laging masaya at beautiful, beautiful lagi. God bless you.
Hi, Sis Juliet. Happy birthday. Wishing you a day that is as special in everywhere as you are. And thank you so much, sis, for being a supportive and good friend to all of us. Ayan, sana marami pa tayong panel na mapasaya at makantahan together. And once again, happy birthday and more fun, good health, happiness, and success to your life. Ayan, at syempre, I love you always, sis. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Miss Julie. Ayan, muntik ko na nakalimutan yung ano mo. Maraming salamat at kasali pala ako sa mga nagbibigay ng mga greetings sa birthday ninyo. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng taga-Team International sa pag-accept ninyo sa akin, sa warm welcome ninyo sa akin. Ayan, nandito na naman tayo sa harap ng camera at gagawa tayo ng birthday greeting sa ating napakabait at napakaganda, wholesome ang beauty ni Miss Julie. At saka, pag nakita mo siya kasi, parang ang bait-bait talaga niya. Char lang, charot. Totoo yun. Oh. Mabait talaga ang mukha, maamo. Kaya, parang isa din siya sa nagustuhan ko. Kaya maraming salamat, Sis Julie, sa pag-accept nyo sa akin dyan sa Team International. Once again, happy birthday. More blessings to come and more success to your channel. Sana po hindi ka magbabago. Ganito lang tayo. Support lang tayo sa ating YouTube channel. At dito tayo naging magkaibigan. Kahit virtual friendship lang tayo. At least, totoo tayo. At least nakikita natin na nandyan yung loyalty sa GC, loyalty sa group. Kahit hindi man ako on time, hindi man ako, pero nakasubaybay talaga ako sa GC. Lahat ng GC na sinalihan ko, nandyan, nakasubaybay lang ako. At pag may time talaga ako, susuport ako. Kaya maraming salamat sa pag-accept mo sa akin, sa GC, at sa lahat ng mga team members natin. Thank you very much. Once again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Sana maging masaya ka sa araw na to, and more blessings to your channel, and God bless. Happy birthday once again. Happy birthday. Thank you very much. Love you. Bye.
Mega love and loud shout out to you. Juliet Basutin. Oh yeah. Happy birthday to you, my friend. More birthdays to come, and wish you good luck and more happiness and adventure for your habit. I know you are doing some habit life. Thank you very much for your limited support every day for our team. Once again, happy birthday to you, Ma'am Julia. Oh yeah, thank you very much.
Hello, Sisi Juliet. Happy birthday. This is me, Ella. Wish you more birthdays to come. More happiness. Good health always, Sisi. We love you here in YouTube world. Again, this is me, HK Warrior Ella G. Wishing you a great day for your birthday.
Hello, Julie. Have a good day, Julie. Sister Juliet Basultin. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Juliet. So, happy birthday. And wishing you may you have many more birthdays to come. And always healthy. And always happy. And more blessings to come to you. And more power to your channel, sis. Ayan. At yung mga yellow heart dyan. Ayan. Sana yellow heart and red heart love you better. Okay, happy birthday again. And may God bless you always. Ayan. You're very supportive and mabait na sister. Okay, love you. Happy birthday again, Juliet. Bye.
Hello po sa lahat ng members ng Team International. Ayan, sa pangunguna po ni Ma'am Joyax. Ayan, nice ko pong batiin ng happy birthday ang ating birthday celebrant, si Ma'am Julie. Ayan, hello po Ma'am Julie. Oh yeah. Ayan, happy birthday. And yun nga, may have more birthdays to come. Wish ko sa iyo good health. And of course, peace of mind, happy family, and success sa kung ano man yung pinagkakabalaan mo sa ngayon. And yan, ingat palagi. And keep safe. Once again, happy birthday. Oh yeah. Bye-bye.
And this is a birthday greetings for good old Julie. Now, I remember I used to stir Julie up. I used to call her a ghost. Then I'll call her 24/7 because she's on YouTube all the time. But anyway, I hope you have a great day with your family, your friends, and I'm sure there's going to be live streams for birthdays for you, or you're going to do a birthday grand slam stream. But anyway, have a great day, and I'll see you later.
Happy birthday, Sis Julie. Hope you have a wonderful day.
Happy birthday, Julia. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Julia. Happy birthday. Hope you have a good one. Hi, Julie. It's me, Joseph Fields. Happy birthday. Yay! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Julie. Maniniot. Happy birthday to you. I hope you have a great day today. Enjoy your day. I wish you many more birthdays to come and more success to your YouTube channel and good health always. God bless.
Hey, Juliet. I believe I've heard it's your birthday coming up. Well. I would like to wish you a happy birthday. And I hope you have a good day and God bless you. Cheerio, Juliet. Bye-bye.
Hi, hello, Julie. And happy birthday. Today marks a very special day on the calendar for you. It is your birthday, and I'm sending you love and greetings on your special day. And I just want to say thank you for all the love and support that you give to me on my channel, and till start till end that you're always there. And thank you for being you. You're amazing. Everything that you do, everything that you are is amazing. And I just want to say happy birthday. All the blessings from the Lord bigay sa'yo, and Yeah, so happy birthday again, and I hope you have all your blessings come true and more birthdays to come. So enjoy your special day, Julie, and yeah, stay safe, stay blessed, and enjoy your special day. Look at the stars, look how they shine for you, and all the things that you do. And it was all yellow. Oh yeah. Enjoy your special day, Julie.
Sis Julie! Kamusta? Oh yeah! Anyway, it's your birthday. Just wishing you a year full of happiness, success, and of course, good health. No drama, just wishing you happy birthday, Jules. On behalf of Jaspo PH, Guwapong Pinoy Vlog, it's me, Jazz. Enjoy your days, Jules. Happy birthday and God bless you always.
Hi, Miss Juliet. It's your day again. Oh, kantahan kita. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Stay beautiful and malakas na appeal. O, diba? The yellow ng Team International. Ayan. Again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Happy birthday, let's all sing. Happy birthday,
Julie. Heard you had a birthday coming up. Just wanted to wish you a happy birthday from me and Maya Volcano. Hope you have a great day. Peace, love, and always. God bless.
Happy birthday, Julie. Kamusta ka, sis? Balita ko, birthday mo daw ngayon. So, babatiin kita ng isang maligayang kaarawan sa'yo, Julie. Happy birthday to you, sis. Salamat sa pagiging kaibigan. Salamat sa, what do you call this, binigay mong oras na maging kaibigan ako. Salamat nung una tayo nagkita. Then, yes, I just wanna say happy birthday. I wish you good health and more success, more happiness in your life. Lalo na dito sa YT. Ang galing mo ng kumanta. Just keep it up. Pagpatuloy mo lang yan. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, talagang ipagpatuloy mo lang yan. Kasi araw-araw kang mas lalong nag-i-improve. Ang galing-galing mo ng kumanta, promise. And then, hope to see you soon again. Sana sa sunod na punta ko is hindi na ako maliligaw. Like what happened before, nang try ko makipagkita sa'yo. Kala ko tama yung address na napuntahan ko kasi may simbahan, which is mali pala. So nag-antay ako ng nag-antay. Bakit walang lumalabas na Julie? Yun pala kasi mali ang address na napuntahan ko. But anyway, hope to see you again. Again, enjoy. Happy birthday sa'yo. Wala na akong ibang masabi kundi thank you so much. Thank you. Happy birthday again. Love you.
happy birthday to my lovely Sisi Julie! Yay! Oh yeah! Ayan, Sisi, I wish nothing but the best for you. Ayan, thank you so much for the support you've given to me and to the Team International. Oh yeah! Ayan, Sisi, happy birthday ulit. Hindi ko na ito paghabahabain pa kasi si Lola. Andiyan si Lola, natinig mo na. Ayan, happy birthday